Okay, kindergarten, we are going to be drawing out our pumpkin and our leaves. So you will have a piece of paper that looks like this, and you will have a black oil pastel. The very first thing we're going to do before you get started is we have to make sure our paper is the right way, because we want our pumpkin wide. Okay, so we don't want him tall and skinny, we want him wide. So let's make sure we turn that paper, we call that hamburger. Hot dog, hamburger. We want our paper hamburger style. You are going to get your black oil pastel. You are going to make a straight line. You're going to come to about the center of the paper, and you're going to make a straight line down to the bottom of the page. But you want to leave some room up here for your stem. So I think I'm going to put a dot about right here, and I'm going to come down to the very bottom of the paper, and I'm going to pull a line straight down. I want my pumpkin to go almost to the tippy bottom of the page, but I'm going to leave some room for his stem. All right, I am going to, whatever Miss Rucker does on this side, I am going to do on this side, and that is called symmetry, being symmetrical. All right, so now we are going to make this really big curve. I'm going to start from that dot, and I'm going to pull that curve all the way to the bottom dot. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Perfect. Okay, we're going to do it again. I'm going to go to the dot, and I'm going to curve, and I'm going to connect it to the bottom dot. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side, and I'm going to pull it around to the dot. Perfect. And then I'm just going to put a rectangle at the top. And if you want, you can just put two lines that go straight off the page like that. That's perfect, because when we cut it out, that's just less we have to cut. So we've got our pumpkin and we have our stem, and now we're going to create some leaves, and I'm going to show you a very simple way to make leaves. And I'm just going to add the leaves in my blank spots on my paper. To make a leaf, all you're going to do is you're going to make a C, like a C, and you're going to make a backward C. So it's a curve and a curve. Curve, curve. It's like two C's that come together. And you can make these however big or small you want. And I'm going to curve, curve. And maybe I want a big leaf here, so I'm just going to make it a big curve. Curve. Perfect. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a line. I'm going to just kind of curve a line right in the center of these leaves. Leaves have a line that goes straight through the center. Perfect.